Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to an update on Kaspa. Covering it again. I don't think a lot of people on YouTube are doing like price updates and price analysis on Kaspa, so that's what I'm trying to do right now. But wanted to do an update on Kaspa just to tell you what I expect. We just hit an all-time high yesterday again. Overall, I mean, what you're seeing with Kaspa right now, and I do have some sort of a theory of why that's happening, is that it's just a very nice and sustained uptrend. Now, at some point of time, that's going to stop, and we'll have some moves like these again. That's just inevitable because, I mean, in the end, a lot of people like Kaspa, right? And some people might even love Kaspa. But you invest in it because you think it's great and it's going to go up in price. So if you have a lot of it, and it reaches a certain price, you're going to sell off. And there are some people who hold a lot of coins. If they sell off, then you'll get something like this. So at some point of time, you're going to get that. But for now, most people, what's happening with Kaspa, I believe, is that you have a solid and growing community who just DCA into Kaspa. All right, they just buy every month or they buy every week, and they buy with their other gains, and that's how you create a sustained uptrend like this. So it looks like that's going on right now, and that has good gains so far. So I'll tell you a bit about what I expect. Last video, what I said, I think last video was somewhere right here. I said that I expected us to still get up higher towards 5 cents. Back then I said that 5.5 cents would probably be the next main resistance level, which I do still think we'll find resistance there, but I have adjusted my ideas on Kaspa a bit. But before we get into that, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades, not on Kaspa because you cannot trade this on BYBIT, I believe. But you also gain access to my training guides and access to an exclusive chat room of traders. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining via the links down in the description or the pinned comment. But for now, let's get into Kaspa. So, it's not Kaspa. So my main price target is this level up here. As you can see, that's 6 and 6.2 cents. So what you have there, which is the main reason why that's my main price target, is two major Fibonacci extension levels. All right, Fibonacci extension levels in price structures like these are the best. All right, so that's the main resistance. Now, I think we can get there. I expect us to get there. At least, I mean, if Bitcoin gets a crash right now, it might become a little bit more difficult, but I don't anticipate Bitcoin crashing. It might fall, but I don't anticipate a crash. Then it might be difficult, but for now, I do still expect this. So I think there's two ways in which this can happen. First of all, we could just continue up here. If we right now, if we break above, like for example, 5.2 now, which seems to be a bit of a resistance, we'll probably just slowly get up there, right? Slowly, in about a week or two, we'll get there. But on the other hand, what's also possible is that we'll get a bit of a pullback that will drop down below 4.8 cents. That we'll get a pullback down to this level right here at 4.2. And I'd say as long as we're above 4.15 cents, we're fine. All right. So something like this, it's either that we just continue slowly going up like this, which is likely, but perhaps not the most likely, or we'll have a pullback down to 4.15/4.3, and from there slowly get back up again, get a bullish breakout above 5 cents, and then get up there. That's what I think the most likely scenario is. Now, like I said, if Bitcoin gets a huge crash down to 27,500 or something, then this analysis is probably wrong. So keep an eye on that because correlation is still very much a problem in crypto. But yeah, that's my take on Kaspa for now. All right, so I will also upload a project review, an honest review on Kaspa in the next week. So keep an eye out or subscribe if you're interested in that. But for now, this is my take on Kaspa. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.